What is up, friends? Today I'm doing an unboxing of Topps Chrome Metazoo, the Series 0 that came out recently. If you're not familiar with Metazoo, I look into it. I mean, there's stuff that teaches you about it. It's not something I'm going to try to explain on this video. But Steve Aoki, the famous DJ music artist, he has his hand in the creation of this, and he actually has bounties out where he will purchase certain cards if they are pulled. So we're just gonna kind of see what's in here. It's a bit of a game. Think kind of like Magic, Pokemon, not exactly the same, but along those lines. And the cards look pretty nice. It's cool characters. It's cool artwork. Anyways, we're gonna rip these open. I have 6 blaster boxes today, so we're gonna see if we pull anything cool. Obviously, we'd like to get something like a Super Refractor. It'd be nice to get one of those bounty cards. I'm not expecting that, but we'll see what happens. But I just want to see what these cards are all about. I want to see what's in there. I want to see the artwork and maybe become a bit of a collector of these, but also just, flip some along the way and put stuff into my collection that I really want in there. All right, so I'm going to rip these boxes open now and get these packs out, just so that we can get a good flow in this video and you're not left waiting for me. Just hear me tossing boxes to the side. Sorry, some cards in there from the last video I made. Scoot those out of the way since they have nothing to do with this. Alright, this third box. Do you guys open Metazoo at all, or have you been interested in that? And if you have, what is your biggest pull out of here, or what do you like about the product so far? I think I've opened some of the non-Chrome that came out, I want to say like a little over a year ago, maybe? And the artwork was still cool, but they just don't quite look the same. I mean, Chrome cards are just so cool. If you're a card collector of any kind, especially sports, you know Topps Chrome well, and they've brought that aspect over to these cards, even though they're not sports. So, all right, got all the boxes there. Let's see what's in here. Let's start with this pile. Oops, sorry, bumping the camera around. Too much coffee today or something. Okay. So I don't really, I'm going to have to, I'm opening these and I'm going to like find out about these cards later kind of deal. I've watched videos of other people opening them, talking about them, but this is the stuff we got. Like, it's just very, very shiny, very pleasing. I like the old style art. It just looks like old comic book, old cartoon show-y. So we got an X-Fractor in there already. Chibi Mothman Refractor, Chupacabra. I just like the style on these. Okay, so this is less... On one of the other ones, it looked like it almost gave information on the cards of like things you do as if you are playing a game. And maybe I'm mistaken. I'm trying to research on this more, but some of you are watching this and you know way, way more than me, and you're like, this guy does not even know what he's talking about. And that's fine. Cryptid Camera, Babe the Blue Ox. That's cool. I like the way that looks. See, I don't know. It's just something about this art style that I just enjoy so much. Adam Ackler, X-Fractor, and another Lizard Man of the Swamp. Pack 3, box 1. I just really like collecting and opening things that are just pleasing to the eye like this. X-Fractor, Hoop Snake. Tizaruk Refractor, Metal Man of Alabama. All right, and the names of these are just funny too. Mantis Man. Contracted Refractor. Chibi Mothman Refractor. Alien Astronaut. There's nothing numbered in that box. I've heard that numbered stuff is like for sure. I mean, it makes sense, right? For sure, the chase stuff, it's not like there's autographs or relics in here, clearly. You're not getting a autograph of Mantis Man or Flatwoods Monster, although that would be amazing. Looks like maybe there might be something numbered in here. Something just a little different. Battles. Beast of Busco. Ding Bell. It's a gold thing. Oh yeah, okay. So this one is numbered out of 50. Now I see where the numbering's at. That's what I look for. 29 out of 50. Ding Bell. All right. Continuing box 2. Sinkhole Sam. Middleman of Alabama, X-Fractor. Puckwudgie. That sounds like a 90s grunge band name. White Thang. Oh, the Phoenix Rain card looks cool. Old Green Eyes. Ooh, Kentucky Hellhound. That card looks sweet. X-Fractor. Babe the Blue Ox. And another Babe the Blue Ox. Last pack of box 2. Eternal Snowflake. Lizard Man of the Scape Ore Swamp. That sounds like a Goosebumps book title. Radio Silence. That card looks cool. I like that. And Ghost Deer. Box 3. Black Cat. I see another numbered card back there. Enfield Monster. Metazoo Battles. That is numbered 1 out of 5. Nice. Beast of Busco versus Giant Salamander. That's cool. That's a really low number to pull in a blaster box. Joint Snake X-Fractor and Bunny Man. That's a very low numbered pull. I heard rumors that in the blaster boxes you could pull pretty cool low numbered stuff, but we're experiencing it firsthand now. Ghost Train, that looks cool too. Just this, like I keep saying it, but the artwork is just cool to me. Lake Worth Monster. Like I'd like to look further into who the artist is behind these designs. It just reminds me of like early days of opening Pokemon cards, which I think is so cool. Snowsnake. Snowsnake. The Charman. Ghost Train again. Space Penguins. We haven't seen that one yet. Moon-eyed people. All right. Chaos Crystal. I want a Chaos Crystal. Maybe not the Chaos, but I like the way the crystal looks. Lava Bear. Shadow People. River Dinos. I almost said Dingoes. Dingus. River Dingus. No, River Dinos. Shadow People again. Uncle Sam. Snallygaster. Ben B. The Spookster. Uncle Sam again. Mothman. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Mothman Superfractor might be like the big bounty that Stevie Aoki's playing for. Don't quote me on that. If you Google it, you can find out what they actually are. Box 5. Beast of Busco. That guy looks like he's from Pokemon. He's not. Funeral Mountain Terra Shot. Okay. There's that grunge band again. Midnight's Escape. Final box. Let's see what we got in here. Cryptid Camera. Ghosted Ear X-Fractor. See some of the odds on here too. So that black card, was it a black card we pulled? That was out of 5? Yeah, okay. So the odds here on the back of the pack, you can see them. The black is 1 out of 14,744. That's wild. It's really cool. Down to the last 2 packs. Let's hit something sweet. Final pack. Contracted Refractor, another Chaos Crystal, and closing that with a Ghost Train. So that was fun. That was interesting overall. I've got some research to do now. Thanks for hanging out. That was a fun box break, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I'll see you guys for a future video soon. Peace and love.